up, everyone? All right, well, today is a small green day in the main account of $2,000. I traded 2 stocks, and I had patience. I didn't trade pre-market. I sat, I waited. I got my first trade and made $500 on it. Took the next trade, lost $1,500, was red on the day, then down $2,000 on the day. Worked my way back to flat and up to green. $2,000 is a green day, so I'll take it. It's not the daily goal, but of course, the daily goal is one thing. Not being red is another, and it's not a red day. So grateful for that. We'll live to trade another day. What I'm waiting for is the next EFTR, the next big momentum stock, the next stock to really start to open up and give some nice, quick price action. I stepped up to the plate today. We didn't have anything that really fit the bill for that, so it didn't make a lot, but we'll live to trade another day, be back at tomorrow. Now remember, as always, my results are not typical. You should not try to blindly follow me or anyone else. In fact, as a beginner trader, you should expect that you'll lose money. And with that expectation in mind, trade in a simulator before you put real money on the line. Do yourself that favor. I wish I'd done it myself. All right, so with that, I hope you enjoy the recap. Hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. What's up, everyone? All right, so, well, not really a great day here. Green in the big account, red in the small account. 2,000 in the red and small account, 2,000 green in the big account. Blue and BTCS, the stocks I trade in my main account. BTCS, uplist, recent reverse split. Not a bad 5-minute breakout there from 10.25 up to 11. Would have been really nice if it broke through 11, but it couldn't. Also, not a bad breakout right here. Hit a high of 945, broke through that level up to 1052. The total volume's light, but the rate of change is decent from 850 up to 9, then 945, then pull back up to 11, pull back to the VWAP, right around the 9 moving average, first 5-minute candle making a new high, nice move back to 11. Maybe this forms an ABCD pattern, maybe it gives us another trade later in the day, but aside from being an uplist, I don't know. We'll see. So that one is a maybe for later afternoon trades, late morning trades. Blue, I took a couple trades on it. First trade was a long. I finally got in for the break of 6, hit a high 605, drops down to 578. I held through the pullback, comes back up to a high of 617. I got out. And then I got back in right here, hits a high of 633 and then flushes down to 590, and I took the loss. So, just choppy stuff. DATS was also choppy. That one's pulling back right now. Broke to the upside, then back to the downside. AZRX was choppy. JCS was choppy. Life was choppy. Everything today was choppy. So what I'm really waiting for is the next kind of big momentum stock. I'm waiting for the next stock to make a big move. And, we had a great one last Wednesday on EFTR. EFTR was last Wednesday. So I'm waiting for something like that. EFTR is still holding at $20, I guess. But last Wednesday, that move, I'm looking for something like that. Or, hey, maybe something like that. I don't know. The problem with that move is at 2 in the afternoon, of course, I just end up missing it. I don't sit here all day long to try to catch everything. That, to me, defeats kind of the purpose of being, like self-employed as a day trader. It's not to sit and work all day long, at least in my opinion. Maybe for some, it does make sense, but for me, it doesn't. So anyways, waiting for the next momentum stock. And when it comes, we will likely see a certain degree of sympathy momentum, sort of back-to-back momentum on different stocks. But okay, sorry about that. Okay, so anyways, just that's what I'm waiting for. The next momentum stock. Hopefully, we get it before too long. Wednesdays and Thursdays have been my best days of the week, so I'm glad this week, at least, to be keeping my head above water in the big account. I am bummed that I'm red in the small account. And the problem with being red in the small account, of course, is that as the account gets smaller, I have less buying power, so I can't be as aggressive, so it kind of compounds the issue, makes it harder to trade. But in any case, so this is where I'm sitting here today, kind of a, I guess, break-even day across the board, but better than a red day, and I'll live to trade again. I'll be back at it tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we see some better stocks on the gap scanner. Leading gapper today was only 34%, and it was on life, which was already kind of, I mean, it did give you a trade at the open, but it was already feeling like it was going to be kind of choppy. So anyways, that's it for me. We'll be back at it first thing tomorrow morning, and I'll see you then. I hope you really enjoyed that video, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 1 million subscribers this year, but we won't get there without your help. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button.